Hey traders, this is Steve Miley, Market Charters for FX Explained, and here we're looking at the euro versus the dollar, EURUSD, and a real lackluster recovery effort in here for euro versus US dollar in here, given that we're very much in this risk on theme. Surging advances by the European and US equity indices in here. Have a quick look at those. So the S&P 500 surging higher in here, going to new multi-week highs, taking out resistance levels in here from back in the middle of March. Similar story for the DAX. Importantly, the DAX pushing into this bear gap that we have in here back from the middle of March, this sort of acceleration point. That's significant. Also the Euro stocks, the pan-European equity index, also pushing higher. So we're very much in a strong risk on phase in here. Markets already in that phase, given hopes of a removal of the lockdowns in here that we've seen, or easing of lockdowns that we've seen in US and Europe in relation to the COVID-19 pandemic. So we're looking for removal of those, plateauing of deaths and cases earlier this week and last week, sending stocks higher. But then over the past 24 hours, we've also had positive trials in here, or results of trials from the drug remdesivir in here, and that for treatment of COVID-19, and that's boosted markets as well, sending stocks higher. Generally speaking, that's seen the US dollar weaken against most currencies, particularly the risk currencies. So if we take a look here, the Australian dollar surging higher in here, the Australian dollar also seeing the New Zealand dollar up. Okay, further heights on the New Zealand dollar, and the Canadian dollar selling, dollar CAD selling off. So that's Canadian dollar rallying as well. So the Canadian, Australian, New Zealand dollars all higher. But we're not really seeing that with the euro. So the euro's tried to rebound in here. We've had this rebound. We did take out this trend line resistance. We got up to 108.88, fell below this 109.05 level, and then again setting back and then rebounding in a lackluster rebound. Not until it gets above 109.05. Not really convinced that this is a decent euro recovery, and potentially looking for the market then to roll back lower and have further euro weakness to come through as we go into May. So negative into today, negative into May for the euro, despite this general broader move to risk on, which is seeing US dollar weakness. The euro not even able to put in a decent recovery effort in here against the dollar. So euro weakness coming back through in here. I'm going to wish you all a great trading day. I'm going to say stay safe out there and look after your loved ones, and I'll be back with you soon.